What's up guys, welcome to today's video. I'm really excited about this one because what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you guys an update with a few of the things that I've been up to lately. I've been super busy. I have a lot of things coming down in the pipeline. I've been working on a few projects behind the scenes. I've been on vacation. I mean, the list goes on with what I've been up to. I've been super busy, literally working 24/7. So I'm excited about this video and it's going to be a little bit different, but let's dive into it. Alright, so here's Zara, that's my dog. We're watching Dash. It's my brother-in-law's dog, but I just got an Amazon delivery. This literally happens probably on the daily, so let's check out to see what we got. Is it for you, Dash? Huh? We'll see what we got inside. This is probably a daily occurrence that I order on Amazon. It's kind of ironic that I sell on Amazon, but that's why I love Amazon. Don't mind this knife, I'm just using it to open up the box. But that is why I love Amazon, the opportunity. I'm a customer myself, I'm a buyer. I know how powerful it is, and I love getting my stuff in 1 to 2 days. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so I know that this Amazon order literally has nothing to do with the video, but it's kind of fun to let you guys in on some of my personal life, let you guys know what I'm up to, some of the things that I've done in the past. And what I ordered was some mounting brackets, some carpet pads for the entryway, and then I got a power washer. So for those that don't know me, and no one probably knows this, but my first job ever, I worked at a place called Fabulous Freddy's. And I was a car washer. I washed cars, I vacuumed, I cleaned the tires. I did the whole 9 yards when it comes to cleaning cars. And since then, I've had like this, I don't know what to call it, but I'm obsessed with keeping my car clean. And so what I decided to do was just order a power washer. I mean, this thing is sweet. It was $100 and it's handheld. And that way I'll actually just be able to clean my own cars, keep them clean. I can save some money, and I actually enjoy doing it. So every Saturday or every once in a while, I'll go out in my driveway and I'll clean my cars. So that's kind of what I ordered, but let's dive into the video and let's just discuss and keep you guys updated with some of the things that I've been up to, and I'm really excited about what's coming in the pipeline. So let's get into it. Okay, so updates. Where do I start? I've been absolutely crazy busy for the last 2 weeks, partly because I've been out of town traveling, and that's always hard to work while I'm traveling. Yes, I do work when I'm traveling. It's hard for me not to work. I like staying updated, and also I've been super busy with my actual Amazon FBA business. So as you guys know, I'm a current FBA seller. I make sure and let everyone know that I'm in the trenches with you. I like being open about my numbers. I've been doing between $55,000 and $75,000 per month. My goal is to hit $100,000 by the end of the year, and hopefully here in July, which is another thing that I've been up to as well. And with my FBA business, I've launched a few new products, and that takes a lot of time, communicating with the suppliers, making sure everything goes smoothly on the shipments. And then I have to create my own listing. I have to create and craft the perfect title, the description, the bullet points. I take my own product images as well, and so that takes me some time as well. And yeah, I could outsource it, but I have fun just creating my entire listing and making sure that it's exactly how I want. So I've been really busy with that, and that product has been it's gone extremely well. It's probably been available for 2 weeks now, and I'm selling 9 to 12 units about a day, and it's picking up every single day as I get reviews, and so I'm really excited about that product. And I'm constantly launching products, and that's just letting you guys know that, hey, Amazon still isn't dead. I'm still launching products as we speak. And that's another thing of why I'm opening up a second account. So that's another thing that I've been really busy with, is I'm opening up a second Amazon seller account. This is 100% legal. I got approved from Amazon, and I'm going to basically start from scratch and grow that account, and hopefully get that to where my account is at. The current account that I'm doing $55,000 to $75,000 per month. So I'm really excited about that second account. That's been keeping me extra busy, opening up the LLC, getting a bank account, creating a new logo, a new brand, a new product line, getting and finding new suppliers to produce the products that I'm going to launch, doing product research itself. So I've been doing all of that while I've been running my current FBA business, and that's what I do full time. That's my main source of income. That's where I make 90% of my money is from my Amazon FBA business, and so that's busy. Then I have my second account, and then I've also got some lightning deals coming up for Amazon Prime Day. If you guys don't know what Amazon Prime Day is, get ready for, I think it's like July 16th or 17th. It's basically like Cyber Monday, but for Amazon. Amazon just like created their own holiday, and I guess they can because they're so big, and they did like some crazy numbers, like $4 billion last year in a 36-hour time frame. So Amazon Prime Day is legit. Get ready to skyrocket your sales, and I've been preparing for that for the last few months. Getting inventory ready. I've been ordering tens of thousands of units, getting in stock. I have the lightning deals ran for two of my listings, and I'm really excited about that, and I'm hoping to just absolutely crush Prime Day. So we'll see how that goes. That's been keeping me busy. And the last thing, I guess the third and fourth thing that's keeping me busy is obviously YouTube. YouTube takes me a lot of time to make videos, edit them, create a thumbnail, and produce high quality, valuable content. So I take that seriously. I want to actually produce content that people want to watch, that's they're actually learning from, and so that takes me a lot of time. And then apart, kind of with my YouTube, I have a full A to Z Amazon Champion course where I teach people from A to Z how to sell on Amazon. So that's something that has been keeping me extremely busy, especially with Amazon changing and updating so many things. I've been having to update my course constantly, making sure that my students are getting the most up-to-date information possible. And what I decided to do is, there's been a lot of changes, for example, with product launches. And I've been toying with a few of the things to help me scale from 30,000 to 70,000, and I've been doing some different things in my FBA business that I've been testing. And so now that I kind of have those set in stone, I'm going to release them on in my course to teach you guys how to do those same exact things. And that's another thing, is I'm not going to teach you anything that I'm not currently doing. So I'm updating the course. I'm coming out with like a course 2.0, if you will, and I'm increasing the price with that because it's taking me so much time. I've spent hours and hours, probably no joke, 72 hours trying to just plan everything out, how I want it structured, the videos, editing the videos, filming the videos, just getting the message across in the most simplest way. So I've been really busy with that. This guy is just dead. What's up, Dash? So I've been really busy with that, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the course price is going up. We'll let this guy move. He's gonna come shove me off the couch. But the course price is going up this Sunday, June 15th. It's going from $247 to $397. And so if you guys want to get in before June 15th, you will be grandfathered in at that price. So if you pay before June 15th, the $247, you won't have to pay any extra, and you'll get all of the updates for life, and you'll always, whether I increase the price again or if I add more updates or whatever the case is, you'll always have access to that course. So for those that are interested, if you guys are serious about learning from a current FBA seller, someone that's actually walked the walk and built a successful multiple six-figure business, then go ahead and get signed up. I'll leave the link down below, And again, you'll be grandfathered in at that price. You won't have to pay anything extra, but you'll get all of those updates that I was talking about, because I mean, Amazon's constantly changing, and I'm trying to add as much value as humanly possible. So I'm super excited about that. That's been keeping me really busy. So with my FBA business, my second account, my YouTube, Prime Day with the new course dropping, I've been really busy. And then to add on top of that, vacations. I freaking lost another Apple Watch. I'm really pissed about that, but that's another story. But anyways, I feel extremely blessed. I'm really happy with where I'm at currently, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for following along and supporting me with my journey. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, share this channel with a friend. I want to reach as many people as possible. I don't want people to learn from people that don't sell, so make sure to share this channel, like it, leave a comment. It really helps the channel get traction so that other people start seeing the channel as well. So I just want to say thank you so much. Don't forget to go down and get signed up for the course, and also join the free Amazon Champion Facebook group, and I'll leave those in the links down below. So I just want to say thank you guys so much, and we will see you in the next video.